Hi GCS, today we're going to be doing the summer sip and paint. It's a picture of some cactuses with a pretty sunset in the background. And for this you will need these colors here. I have a dark green, a light green, blue, yellow, pink, and white. And then some different brushes, some water, and some paper towels. As always, we will start with the background. So I'm going to use my pink paint here. I'm going to paint from the top all the way to about the middle of your canvas. And then we'll take some yellow paint and use that all the way to a couple inches from the bottom. Leave some space here where there will be a mountain. And then while both the pink and the yellow is still wet, you're going to take some white right in the middle and start blending the two colors into each other. While that is drying, I'm going to mix a little bit of the blue and a little bit of the white to make the color for the mountains that are going to go at the bottom of your picture. Next we'll make some clouds, and still while the paint is wet you can add just a little bit of white to make it look like a see-through cloud. And then you can let that dry for a little bit. Next we're going to start with the cactus in the background. It's going to be on the left side of your canvas, and I'm going to use the dark green color, and it's going to just be one straight line up about that high. And then you can add some yellow to give it some dimension. Next we can do the flowers on your cactus. I'm going to make some yellow flowers on mine. I'm just going to make a little U-shaped flower with the petals pointing up. And then to make these stand out, add some white to them, especially these ones down here that are in the yellow. For the next cactus, we're going to mix the same dark green color and the blue to get a blue-green color for your middle cactus. So this is going to be a different kind of cactus. It's going to be the one with round parts. Like that, and round arms too. And then add some white to that to make it look round. I'm going to add some to the middle and then blend it into the sides. And then we can start the flowers on this one. I'm going to make them pink. And they're going to be the same kind we did before, little U shape. And again, add some white. Go ahead and let that dry. Next, we're going to add the spikes to our middle plant here. I'm going to use a small brush and some black paint. For these, just start at the bottom and pull up to make the spikes. And then finally we'll start our third cactus, which is closest to the foreground. And we're going to use both the dark and light green paint. And this is going to be a smaller one. Lastly, we're going to add some dots along this side of the plant, along the dark edges of each of these arms. I'm going to use a small round brush and just make some small polka dots all the way up. And that's it for the summer sip and paint. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this and painting your own cactus scene. And send us some pictures of how yours turned out.